Am I the asshole for not telling my wife where her son has been hiding? Just for clarification, I've been with my wife for 5 years, married for 4.5 years. I have a daughter, we have 2 kids together, and she has Leo 16 male too. She was adamant that I would not parent when we got together. I was fine with that since his dad is still in his life. Leo and his mother don't get on, never have, arguments happen often and he tries to ignore her. It's just him, none of our other kids. I've tried to talk to her about it, but she just says that he's not my son. 2 years ago I had to get my daughter's toy from the roof of our house and found him sat up there in a spot you could not see from the ground, listening to music and reading a book. He looked scared when I saw him. I just gave him a smile, then threw the toy down to my daughter. A couple days later we were the only ones home and he came to me to talk about it. I told him that I get why he needs some time to himself. What he is doing will not damage the roof and there is no way for him to fall off the roof where he sits or the path he takes to get there, out his window. Also, it's not like he is sneaking up there to drink or smoke. Plus my wife has said not to parent him, so I don't have an issue with it and I won't say anything. I did say something to him when I noticed he started bringing a boy up there. I just told him to make sure he is quiet when talking and to not do anything stupid. There have been times where his mother needed him, couldn't find him and would just assume he was out,